The markets end again mixed, but something interesting is happening. D70 Grok trade on Tuesday, July 11th, 2017, and we have red territory, S&P, diamonds basically break even, but NASDAQ up 0.3%. Same for small caps. Banks are down 0.3%. Financials off by 0.9%, so it's no good. A lot of indecision here as far as the major indices are concerned. Crude oil climbing by 1.5%. Gold higher. Silver higher by more than 1%. And the VIX lower, fear dropping by 2%. Okay, here we are, and this is what is so interesting. First thing is, a lot of you guys don't know that having a mentor is the most important thing you'll ever do for your trading, period. There's no shortcut. The shortcut is a trading mentor. If you know anything about business or anything about success, one thing that should be apparent to you is mentoring. I'm going to be talking about it. I'll give you my story, just information only. That's all, information only. Right here at groktrade.com/MTM. Meet the mentor. So meet Mark and me. Hope you can join us this Thursday. All right, here we are. This is what's interesting. Looking at the S&P 500 ETF called the Spider SPY daily chart. We go higher, 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 and then we start to drop, right? We drop, drop, drop. I did call a buy here. We did pop higher, but we come back down, up, and then we drop, so I had to call it a sell. I'm going to stick with my sell, but I'm getting ready to change it to a buy, a buy, a buy. Why? This is a bull flag. That bull flag, guys, it looks like to me it's wanting to do that. If it does that, I'll put a buy on and I'll look to re-enter the market myself. I've been flat the market ever since I put the sell signal on. If I look here at the diamonds started to break down. You can see this, but now it jumped back up. I may have to massage this line ever so slightly. I'm going to go to that swing low right here. But it's hanging out. It tried to break down today. It tried to, but it came right back. People bought up that weakness. NASDAQ. Oh, I called it a sell. Look at this. Now we're rallying higher. This line I need to fix. Actually, I'm going to do this. I'll do it on the fly with everybody watching. Usually I don't do this on the fly because it takes up time. It takes up time. I'm going to do it here. This line, does it still make sense at all? Those two just doesn't make sense anymore. So look how we drop, boom, up, smash our head right here, but we close just above the 20-day moving average. This thing could be a buy. I'm so close from putting a buy on this. Could have done it here, but there was a trend line I was concerned with. It's higher now. It's caught up in the moving averages. Volume a little weak, but we're in the apex of this triangle. This could do a nice pop up, or this would be a good chance for it to drop because we are at a trend line. Last time we were at this line, we dropped. Right here, we dropped. We're there again. Maybe slightly higher than that, so has a decent chance of going higher Wednesday. Small caps. Drop, 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 drop. We're chopping around, making this low base above the 50-day moving average, but below the 20-day moving average. So we're caught up in this indecision area. It could go higher, but small caps looks like it's more bearish to me. I'd be concerned with this area breaking down. I'm going to go to banks. Banks, I called it a sell, down, 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 down. But look at this. We hammered out at a support level. I'm getting ready to go long. I fully expect that to happen. Let's see if that happens. And if so, I'll put a buy on it. Financials doesn't look nearly as nice. I have a sell on it. We have dropped down below the 8 EMA. It's not so good. Crude oil is a buy. Remember I said I expect it to go higher. I'll put a buy if it does. Crude oil now is a buy. Gold. Oh boy, put my neck out there. Gold is a buy. There it is. There it is. Silver. Silver. I said look for it to go higher. It wants to go higher. There's my buy. Boom. Gold and silver. Short-term buys on the daily chart. And for you guys that want to take a gander at tech stocks, make sure you go here and join us Thursday night. That's where the good stuff is. Matter of fact, before I get into tech stocks, everything I show you here is like elementary school. It's like the baby steps. If you want to do the meat and potatoes, that's the mentorship. That's where you get guided in all the secrets of trading. It takes 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. All right, so we want to go here and go to Grok's tech stocks, and let's look at some stocks of interest. Apple, called it a buy yesterday. We popped higher today. Amazon, called it a buy a couple days ago. We're staying as a buy. This is a big bull flag. Look for that to go higher. Baba, called it a buy back here on the 5th, and it is nice and high. Cisco, called it a sell, starting to go higher, but that's a bear pullback. Guys, look for Cisco. This is a great short right now. Got a hanging man after a bear pullback. I mean, I'm expecting that to keep going down. Cisco not looking so good. Always call that catfish, called that. This is Cognizant Technologies. And that dude, I called it a buy a couple days ago, and we're up and day away. Yesterday, I called eBay a buy. Boom, we go higher today. Facebook, I called a buy 3 days ago. Boom, we are higher by quite a bit. Google, called it a buy, barely higher. GoPro, I think it's going to go higher. I think it's going to happen, so look for it to go higher. Microsoft, no call, have a sell on it, have not put a buy on it, still think it has a really good chance of dropping. That line, big time relevant, big time relevant. And yep, so it's a good time. Sure, it looks like to me that's wanting to do that. NVIDIA, called it a buy a couple days ago. We're up quite a bit since my buy on that. Oracle, called it a buy a few days ago. We're higher. PayPal, called it a buy. Yeah, we're higher. Red Hat, called it a buy. We're higher. Snap. Whoa, where? Do I not have any? I've been calling that thing. Where are all my? I thought I had calls on this. Remember this call, guys? Go back to my video on, what is that, the 3rd? That's my video on March 17th. March 17th. Go to that video. It was a very, I said that's a call. Look to go long there, and boom, 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 boom. It just took off after that. That's after, yeah. So I've been saying stay away, stay away. We're crashing and burning. I mean, I'll just call it I thought I had a sell on this already, but apparently I didn't, so I'll add it now. There's my sell. Twitter, I called it a buy on the 6th, and boom, it broke out. Guys, this is huge. That's a big breakout for Twitter of the symmetrical triangle. Wow, looking good, looking good. Anyway, man, I got some things to teach you. If you could use a little help to make money in the markets this weekend, you can join us. But before you just sign up and join us this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, just learn a little bit about it. Find out if it's for you. Join us Thursday night. Catch you guys later.